Today, there is intense competition around the world.
When we look into competition in well-developed markets, like in the US and Europe, there's a fierce competition in certain products, certain areas, certain services.
The competitive landscape as it stands now, it's going to be largely dictated by where the regulatory landscape takes us.
When we look at our marketplaces around the world, we've got to look at the separate ecosystem that they each compete in.
The same thing will occur overseas as more competition comes into the markets.
In the case of Brazil, it's very clear the need of competition. So it's very hard for us to talk about competition itself in Brazil because it basically doesn't exist.